And one more rule to help us deal with exponents here is our division rule here. Quotients to power is the official term, where I have some a divided by b to the nth. Just like multiplication, this nth power can be distributed across both terms. So it could equal a to the nth over b to the nth. Let's see that play out and see if that makes sense. So let's have x over 4, and I'm squaring the entire term. Well, this says I can rewrite it as x squared over the denominator squared, which produces an x squared over a 4. Another look at it. Let's look at x squared divided by 5, all of that squared. So the numerator squared, so that becomes x squared to the squared, which is a 4, divided by 5 to the squared. Maybe I skipped a step there, so let me kind of back up and give an extra step in there. So let's just kind of do a stop, rewind, play. That was x squared to the squared all over 5 squared. And that reverses back there, x to the 4th over 25. And one last little example to show 2a cubed. Let's do it over here. 2a cubed all over b to the 4th. Let's raise that entire thing to the 5th power. Well, let's break it down to the numerator to the 5th power. Divide by the denominator to the 5th power. Then from there, we need to remember how to multiply this or distribute this exponent across two bases. So it becomes 2 to the 5th times 2a cubed to the 5th. Sorry, I ran out of room there. And b to the 4th to the 5th. All right, let's kind of clean it up a little bit. I got a little cramped right there. So 2 to the 5th is 32. A cubed to the 5th makes it a to the 15th. Because a power to the power, we multiply the powers. Likewise, in the denominator, b to the 4th to the 5th, b to the 20th. Sorry, I hope I didn't confuse you there. I started off with not much room to write. I know you guys never do that. You always have enough room to finish out the problems. What do we learn in this section right here so far? Is that when I have a fraction or division problem to an exponent, I could break it up in the numerator to that exponent and the denominator to that exponent.